What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. I love doing accents. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I have accents that come out all the time. It's like multiple alter egos. Today, I want to share with you how to get fuller looking lips. I love me a full lip, okay? And there's a couple of little tricks that you can do. You don't even have to go buy like costly lip tingling gloss, although I love some lip tingling gloss. This is from Buxom. It's probably one of my favorite brands for lip plumping gloss. I have several of these because they kind of like tingle and help plump up your lips. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it without something that's going to burn or sting, and that you can customize and do with your mascara beauty products. So you're going to want to have a multitasker brush. I'm going to link all of the products that I use below, including a palette with the colors so that you can get the compact for free. And I like to start with the Milk Conditioner always. It's a really nourishing lip balm, so I am just going to pick it up with my brush and sweep that on the lips. Now, my lips are looking a little pink because I have been wearing lip color all day. I'm going to wear the exact same color I was wearing before because I love this combo and it is so pretty on legit everybody. It's just a really like pretty rich kind of mauve color. So we have our Milk Conditioner on. Now we want to line and define the lips. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that same brush, the Multitasker brush, and you're going to dip into your contour color. Whatever contour color you have will work for this. But if you want to grab an additional contour color just for lip lining, like for a nude lip or something, I have a couple of favorites. Indigo is one of those. It actually pairs beautifully if you want like a bold red lip. And then I also really love Henna for a light kind of pinky nude lip, or Astoria. So I am going to use Henna today. So I'm just going to take my brush, dip in. I've got a little bit of product on there, and you're going to very slightly overline the lips. So where you see the natural line of your lips, you're going to set your brush right outside that line, okay? And you can see like here, I have my lip kind of comes out naturally. So I'm emphasizing that shadow with this liner, okay? If you need a little more, pick up some more product. Now we're gonna do the top lip. So you can see like the, there's a little bit of a difference between my actual lip shade and where it comes out right here. And I am going to go overline so slightly. Okay, do that on the other side. Now I have not done my Cupid's bow yet. If you want a really defined Cupid's bow, you can literally do an X across the top, and that will help you get that definition for your Cupid's bow. I've never had a super defined Cupid's bow. So I kind of go back and forth between liking the definition and then liking it rounded. So I am just going to bring this contour color up and up, and then we'll just slightly go over. Okay, and kind of create that M. Now I have not done any contour color right through there. No lip liner right through there. I'm going to take my contour color and I'm going to get into the corners on my lower lip and my top lip. On both sides. Okay, now what this is going to do is light attracts light and dark absorbs light. So it's naturally going to start making the center part of your lips look a little bit fuller, and the corners are going to appear a little bit smaller. It's kind of like a mind eye trick. Now I'm going to dip into my highlight color with the small end of this brush, and you can use any highlight color you want. I'm going to use my secondary highlight color. Let me grab it. I have so many compacts. I'm going to use my secondary highlight color, which is linen. Small end of this brush. And I am now going to do a little bit of lining, like I'm taking this as if it were a lip liner on the top part. Of the lip, okay? So now I have two different colors that are basically lining my lips. You can take a little more contour color if you want, and you can just dip it into this little divot. Help emphasize shadow. That's all we've done, is we are emphasizing or bringing dimension to the lips to make them appear fuller. Okay, now comes the fun part, some color. So I love this combo, you guys. It is so pretty, and because these are both matte colors, they are going to last on your lips all day long. So you're going to want to grab nude and scarlet. Again, they are going to be linked below in the palette that I'm using. This is both of them. Scarlet is like bold red here for it, and nude is probably like one of my most popular blush colors because it is fantastic. It's like a great everyday nude. Neutral. It's nude. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take some of this nude on our brush, and we are going to sweep from the back corner forward. Okay. Easy peasy. Now we're going to do the same thing on the top lip, but I'm going to use a different color. This is how I mix. This is just how I personally mix my lip and cheek colors. I think it's really fun this way. You could put them on one after another and it'd be just fine. But I'm going to take this color, Scarlet, and I'm going to go over the top, starting at the outer corner. And bring it forward. Now, I have some lip surface area that I need to kind of fill in. So I'm just going to turn my brush, angle it up, and kind of fill it in. Okay? Cute, right? Just kidding. If you're thinking she can't be serious, don't worry. Rub those lips together and just go over any of the lines if you need to. Okay, that is it. So I'm gonna just take a little of this. Okay, all right. Now we could call it good. I don't have my contacts in. That's always scary. Okay, we could call it good. I totally, like, sometimes this is just how I do it. But if you really, really want them to look like full, here's what you're gonna do, sister. You are gonna grab your detail hack brush, the small pointy side of that brush, and you're gonna dip it in your contour color. Just a little. You don't need a ton. If you're worried about having too much, apply some onto your hand. You can just kind of like rub it around. And you're going to take this underneath your lower lip, emphasizing shadows. Then you're going to take your ring finger. You're going to dip it into your highlight color. Your primary highlight color is perfect. So you have just the tiniest amount of cream on your finger, and you're going to pop that in the center of the lip. Okay? That's it. You're done. You have full, voluptuous lips without any kind of injection or filler. And you guys, these colors will last you forever. But even if you're using like a lipstick, this totally works. You'll just take a darker, deeper shade to line your lips. Make sure you fill in that inner corner on both, and then a lighter color, maybe your concealer, your brightener, at the top of your Cupid's bow. You can do a little shadow dip right there in the Cupid's bow, and a little shadow emphasis on the lower not lower lash line, on your lower lip. And that's it. If you want to top it with gloss, you can. This is how I'm going to wear my lip today. Anyways, I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.